hell is this? Have I got anemic mice in my kitchen? It's a teeny tiny pasta called orzo, not to be confused with ouzo. Yamas. Now, I first came across orzo on the Greek island of Kefalotiri in the early 90s. Yes, I am that old. I saw a packet of it in a little Greek supermarket and I thought, I must have that! And it sat in my cupboard for, well, more than a decade really. And then on the Greek island of Telos, I ordered Youvetsi, and when it came I thought, oh, so that's what you do with orzo. So, let me show you how to make Youvetsi. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add in 500 grams of cubed lamb and cook until the meat browns. Once the meat is nicely browned, extract with a slotted spoon and add in 1 medium onion thinly sliced. Cook for 4 or 5 minutes. When the onions have softened, you can add back the meat. Mixy, mixy, sizzly, sizzly. Now, you can either add in a couple of tomatoes that you've peeled and chopped, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is add in a small tin of chopped tomatoes, because I'm a rebel. Stir it in, squeeze in a bit of garlic, salt and pepper, big pinch of cinnamon, big pinch of nutmeg, big pinch of sugar, and 250 ml of water or chicken stock. I'm using chicken stock because I'm still a rebel. Mix it well and bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, turn the heat right down, cover, and we're going to simmer this for between an hour and an hour and a half until the meat is tender. Now you can use beef or chicken too. Obviously, if you're going to use beef, you're going to cook it for longer, and with chicken, you barely need to cook it at all. After about an hour or so, the meat should be nice and tender. Now add in 250 grams of the orzo, mix well. Now if you're using beef, it might be as well to add a little bit more water at this stage, but just see how it goes. Now cover and continue cooking over a very low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. After about 15 minutes, give it a little test. And if you think it needs a little bit more water, just add a little bit more. Not too much. Stir. Then cover and carry on cooking. After another 5 minutes, give it a test. The pasta's just al dente, so I'm going to keep that covered, turn off the heat and leave it for another 10 minutes. Sprinkle on some parsley and maybe some grated Kefalotiri cheese or just some parmesan. So now you know what to do with orzo pasta. You don't need to serve it with a reduction of rhubarb on a mousse of deer spittle. Just make Youvetsi. Yamas. It's nearly empty.